In this lesson, we'll take a look at the IES Light. First, in the V-Ray Asset Editor. In the light list, let's go ahead and delete the existing spotlight. Then back over in the V-Ray toolbar, click on the IES Light icon. It'll ask you to find a file that's associated with the IES Light. Navigate to your Assets folder and pick the .ies file and click Open. Then go ahead and click on the wall next to your chair and make sure that you use your Move tool to move this light slightly out away from the wall so that it doesn't intersect the geometry. Click back on your render camera scene and let's start an interactive render. The IES Light casts light based off of that .ies file. IES lights are great for mimicking real-world lights, as the information in those .ies files is generated by measuring the shape of the light that comes from real-world light fixtures. You can search for and download IES files from company websites, or you can even create your own using third-party software. Let's take a look at some of the parameters we can change. In the V-Ray Asset Editor, make sure you have the IES light selected and click on the flyout menu. As with the other lights, you can change the color temperature. Also, you can override the intensity here by checking this box on and then trying out higher values. If you were to have a different IES light file, you could try adding that here just to see how different shapes look. Where it says shape here, you see it says point. Drop down that menu option. Point will treat it as a single point of light that is emanating and then taking the shape that is specified by the IES file. Circle will emit light from a plane light that's in the shape of a circle. And then you would be able to set the diameter of that circle in the next parameter here. The same is true of sphere. You could set the diameter here, only a sphere is a three-dimensional sphere versus a two-dimensional circle. Lastly, we have from IES file, where the shape is specified from the file itself.